Let's take a look at the EMEET S800 4K webcam, a webcam with a consumer-grade camera sensor. We'll start off by unboxing it. Inside the box, there's a user manual, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and the webcam. The EMEET S800 is equipped with a 1/2-inch Sony sensor with an aperture of f1.8 and a focal length of 4.71 mm. It has dual autofocus using PDAF, which is phase detection autofocus, and TOF. This, with the AI autofocus, works great at focusing and refocusing between your face and objects or items you may be trying to show on camera. This would be handy for video creators and live streamers who may be reviewing and showing products on video, as well as their face, and need the focus to switch between the item they are showing and back to their face quickly. You get 30 frames per second with 4K and up to 60 frames per second on 1080p. It does also support HDR. There are dual noise cancelling mics, helping to reduce unwanted background noise. This would be good if you're in an area where there's a lot of noise, like an open office space or coffee shop. It connects via USB 3.0, so it provides for a high-speed, lossless transmission, so you shouldn't expect to see any stutter. This webcam can lay flat on the table or surface, clip on top of displays, or mounted to tripods. Also, for anyone worried about privacy, this has a built-in privacy cover. Just rotate the privacy cover and it will cover the lens. This webcam also works well with low light, so if you have the light set to low or completely turned off, it'll still pick you up without a problem. With the EMEET eLink app, which can be downloaded on their website, you can further tweak or customize settings for the webcam. It doesn't have PTZ or an automatically rotating base like a few other 4K webcams I've reviewed, but for the price it definitely provides a good picture quality and is worth taking a look into. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video.